Luxury more than you think. Watch till end for elegance you've never seen before. Standing tall in a blend of ivory, white, and charcoal bronze, the front of this mansion is nothing short of a masterpiece. The clean ivory walls are balanced perfectly with bold bronze trims, framing windows and doors with architectural grace. Tall pillars add drama to the entryway, while a glass-arched canopy reflects the sun like a diamond. Bronze light fixtures sparkle like jewelry across a facade. The entrance gate, brushed in charcoal bronze, opens up like royalty's invitation. It's the perfect first impression for a home that defines elite living. As you walk around, the mansion's back view unveils a panoramic visual treat. Floor-to-ceiling windows and bronze frames catch the golden hour beautifully. The patio deck flows smoothly with custom stone flooring that contrasts elegantly against the ivory backdrop. Curved balconies add depth to structure, while the arched bronze overhangs protect and polish the overall symmetry. It's designed for both grand events and quiet sunsets. The mansion doesn't just look expensive. It feels like living inside a dream. It gets greener and grander. Don't blink or you'll miss the magic in the garden. Step into a lush green paradise where modern landscaping meets classical elegance. The garden paths are paved with soft white marble and trimmed in bronze stones, guiding you through floral archways and manicured lawns. Blooming hydrangeas, rose beds, and miniature olive trees line the walking paths, offering nature's perfume. Bronze sculptures stand tastefully at corners, giving the garden an artistic heartbeat. There's even a whispering fountain that mirrors the home's luxury. This is not just a backyard. It's an estate within an estate. The pool shimmers with luxury, surrounded by ivory tiling and bronze railing touches. It stretches out like a private lagoon, complete with an infinity edge that melts into horizon. Custom underwater lighting gives the water a crystal glow at night, and the sunbeds with bronze frames invite endless relaxation. A nearby stone bar area offers a perfect sip spot while enjoying the breeze. The design is so seamless. The pool feels like it was born here. Its elegance and comfort, flowing in liquid form. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by a marble-floored lobby drenched in natural light. A grand staircase spirals up with bronze handrails that gleam like art. Ivory tone walls are complemented with minimalist bronze inlays, while chandeliers hang like floating galaxies. A glass dome above floods the space with daylight, adding warmth and wonder. Statement pieces like bronze-framed mirrors and artisan consoles whisper opulence. This entrance isn't just a transition, it's an experience, designed to host royalty and relaxed millionaires. Comfort has never looked this expensive. Wait till you see the heart of the home. Designed to host royalty and relaxed millionaires, the living room is the heart of this mansion. Plush ivory couches stretch across polished bronze-accented floors, facing a modern fireplace with sculpted detailing. Massive windows bring the garden inside, with flowing curtains trimmed in metallic shades. The ceiling features bronze beams that contrast tastefully with soft ambient lighting. Art pieces in neutral tones add character without stealing the spotlight. This space isn't just for living, it's for elevating life itself. This kitchen is where design and function blend in stunning harmony. Charcoal bronze cabinetry frames every corner, with ivory marble countertops that gleam under pendant lighting. Built-in appliances sit flush, maintaining the clean and minimalist flow. The backsplash is crafted with bronze glass tiles, reflecting warm light throughout the room. A central island doubles as a breakfast bar and showpiece. Every detail screams luxury with a whisper. It's understated but unforgettable. The dining hall is a space built for indulgent meals and high society gatherings. A 12-seater ivory marble table sits beneath a modern chandelier that drips bronze accents. High ceilings allow the light to dance, while full-length curtains frame views of the garden and pool. Each chair is wrapped in soft linen with bronze-tipped legs for a unified aesthetic. The walls are decorated with elegant art panels bordered in metallic shades. This is where meals turn into memories. Where dreams look like this, the bedroom will leave you speechless. Welcome to a room designed for peace, privacy, and prestige. The master bedroom features a king-size ivory upholstered bed framed by a bronze panel wall that feels both grounded and ethereal. Soft lighting seeps through sheer drapes, washing the room in a golden glow. A built-in fireplace and lounge corner elevate the vibe from rest resort. The textures, from suede to silk, all complement the theme of timeless luxury. Every night here ends in style, and every morning begins like a movie. A room dedicated to fashion and finesse. The walk-in closet is a boutique within the mansion. Glossy bronze rails and matte ivory shelving create a visually soothing contrast. Every accessory, from belts to shoes, has a spotlighted place. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors offer a 360-degree view of style perfection. An ivory island counter in the center displays jewelry like museum pieces. It's not just organized, it's curated. This space makes getting dressed feel like an event. The master bath is a sanctuary of spa-level tranquility. A freestanding ivory tub sits under a window framed in bronze, inviting natural light during every soak. Dual sinks are set in a marble counter with warm bronze fixtures gleaming overhead. A glass-enclosed rain shower features ivory tiles that look sculpted, not just installed. Hidden lighting, towel warmers, and subtle fragrance diffusion elevate the experience. It's not just a bathroom, it's a 5-star retreat inside your home. Even the garage is a statement, designed more like a showroom than a storage space. Ivory floors with matte finishes reflect the sheen of high-end cars parked neatly under soft lighting. Bronze trims line the walls and highlight individual parking zones. Smart security panels blend into the walls with subtle elegance. Whether it's a Rolls-Royce or a Ferrari, every car looks better in this garage. Function meets finesse in a way that turns heads even after you've parked. Experience elegance like never before. This is just the beginning. More breathtaking tours are on the way. Don't miss what's next. Stay tuned for more luxury content, and let this mansion inspire your dream lifestyle.